Before buying a dog car seat cover, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Let's dive into some of the top options that actually keep your car clean and your pup safe. Product number 1, URPOWER Hard Bottom Dog Car Seat Cover. First up, we have the URPOWER Hard Bottom Dog Car Seat Cover priced at $72.99. What caught my eye is its heavy-duty design and bestseller badge. If you want a reliable cover that keeps your backseat safe from scratches and mess, this is worth a serious look. This seat cover is crafted from waterproof PU leather, meaning you can easily wipe away dirt and pet hair. It features a hard bottom design, providing extra space and stability for your dog, holding up to 400 pounds. Plus, it fits most sedans and SUVs, making it super versatile. The zippered side flaps ensure your dog won't fall into the footwell, which is a common worry for many pet parents. With over 45,900 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, you're not alone in loving this option. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's pretty secure, and the peace of mind it offers is worth the slight hassle. This is perfect for you if you have an active dog that loves to move around during rides. Skip this one if you have a smaller vehicle and need something more compact. For the price, it's a solid investment for any dog owner. Now, if the installation hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with easier setup. Product number 2, URPOWER Waterproof Seat Cover. Next up is another URPOWER product, but this one's priced at $53.99. The hard bottom design caught my attention again, and it's also a bestseller. If you want a cover that provides excellent protection from accidents, this model is worth considering. This cover includes an extra-large dog pee pad which absorbs liquid quickly, preventing messes from ruining your seats. It also offers full coverage protection with zippered side flaps, keeping pets secure and your car clean. Like the previous model, it fits a wide range of vehicles and is easy to clean. However, some users mention that the pee pad could be more absorbent. I'll be real with you, while it's a great feature, if your dog has frequent accidents, you might need a backup plan. But for the average pet parent, it's a fantastic solution. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that protects against unexpected messes. Skip this one if your dog rarely has accidents. For the value it provides, it's really hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something lightweight. Product number 3, URPOWER Dog Car Seat Cover. Now let's talk about the URPOWER Dog Car Seat Cover priced at just $29.99. This caught my attention because it's super budget-friendly. If you need something reliable without breaking the bank, this might be the one for you. This cover features side flaps that protect not only your backseat, but also the car doors from scratches. It fits sedans, SUVs, and even compact trucks, so you can take it wherever you go. Plus, it's designed to be odor-free, which is a big win for any pet owner. That said, a few customers mentioned that it doesn't hold up as well against really big dogs. Here's the thing though, if you have medium-sized dogs, this cover will likely work just fine. For larger breeds, you might want to consider a sturdier option. This is perfect for you if you're looking to keep costs down while still protecting your car. Skip this if you have larger dogs that might need something more heavy-duty. Given its price, it's an excellent value. Now, if you need something even more versatile, you're going to want to hear about the next product. Product number 4, Victoper Dog Car Seat Cover. Next is the Victoper Dog Car Seat Cover, which is priced at $25.99. This one really stood out because of its universal fit and strong materials. If you want something that's easy to install and clean, you'll want to hear about this. Crafted from premium 600D Oxford cloth, it's super waterproof and scratch-resistant. This means no more worrying about muddy paws ruining your seats. Plus, it has a breathable mesh window, allowing your dog to see you while reducing their anxiety. The storage bag is a nice touch for keeping dog essentials organized too. However, some users noted the cover can slip a bit during hard breaks. I get it, that can be annoying, but if you secure it properly, it shouldn't be a significant problem. For many, this is still a strong contender. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable cover with great features. Skip this one if your dog tends to jump around a lot during rides. For the price, it's a great deal. Now, if you're after something that can adapt to various situations, let me tell you about the last option. Product number 5, URPOWER 4-in-1 Dog Car Seat Cover. Finally, we have the URPOWER 4-in-1 Dog Car Seat Cover priced at $22.49. What caught my eye is its versatility. If you need a cover that adapts to your different needs, this is worth a serious look. This cover can transform into a hammock, bench seat cover, trunk cargo liner, or picnic mat. It fits most sedans and SUVs, and the mesh window allows for better air circulation. Plus, it offers full protection with zippered side flaps to keep your dog safe and secure during rides. That said, some users found it a bit tricky to switch between modes. Here's the thing, if you're someone who prefers a set-and-forget solution, this might not be the easiest fit for you. But if you enjoy the flexibility, it's a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you love outdoor adventures with your dog. Skip this one if you want something that's strictly for car rides. With such a low price point, it's a steal for what you're getting. So we've covered 5 solid options today. The URPOWER hard bottom gives you durability, while the other URPOWER model focuses on accident protection. The budget-friendly URPOWER dog car seat cover is great for medium dogs, and the Victoper offers great versatility. Lastly, the URPOWER 4-in-1 is perfect for multi-use. Whatever your needs are, there's a cover here for you. Happy traveling with your furry friend.